she has made so much progress. It's unbelievable. When she was born, they told us she is at a high risk of cerebral palsy and developmental delay. And they said many, many things. We don't know if she'll walk or run or, you know, just be able to move independently. And so, of course, we've been trying to do as much as we can just to make sure that either doesn't happen or it's mild, because they said, well, we just don't know. No one knows.
4 little, 5 little, 6 little, 1 just, 7 little, 8 little, 9 little, 1 just, 10 little, 1 just dancing.
The progress she's made is just amazing. She's like, I can't even explain it. She's doing things that we didn't think she'd be doing at this age. Her head control is amazing. Every time I go for her appointments, everyone says she's fine. You know, she's just doing so good. Everything for her is just working out really well. The only issues she had is feeding. That's why she has this tube. But other than that, movement-wise, she's just, I just have no words, because the progress is just amazing.
We are just pushing her and training the family to do some activities that could develop her normally. And once the brain has growth and rewire all the way to 3 years of age. So it's a window of opportunity for us to have her receiving this therapy before the 3 years of age, because whatever you are learning and you are focusing on it, you will keep it. Whatever you don't use it, you lose it.
And she's 7 months old, and I mean, it's been a very tough 7 months, because her diagnosis was very, very bad and bleak, and you know, there was just no hope. But when you look at her, I mean, everyone who sees her just can't tell her birth was that traumatic. And I mean, when you look at her, she's just moving like a normal baby. To me, she's absolutely normal. I don't see any delays at all. I mean, maybe she doesn't do some things, but I think it's because she just doesn't want to, or she just doesn't like it. But I think she can do anything. And I believe she'll be crawling very soon.
If this part of the brain is affected, let's teach the other side of the brain to take over and learn those movements. That's basically what we are doing. So we are using this window, and that's when you saw her, she's no longer a static baby. She's now playing midline, putting things to her mouth, playing with her toes, sitting independently, trying to reach what she's sitting. We haven't reached the crawling. We are trying, and we work very close with the parents, like, okay, let's make this baby to crawl. We teach the parents, you're gonna focus on this at home, I'm gonna focus on this activity in here, because this is what I can do here, and you can do this at home. And that's our biggest success. Parents are working with us, we are working with the kids, and they show the progress.
I wish I brought her here from the day she was discharged, if I knew, because the progress she's made is just tremendous. I just don't, the words aren't, I don't know what to say. It's a miracle, I think, because she's doing really well, and it's just hard to believe sometimes that they told me she may never walk. We just don't know. She might be in a wheelchair. We'll just see what happens. But I have a feeling that's not going to happen, because they've been working so hard with her, and I mean, it's just amazing what they do. And